Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, my Arabic learners. Welcome to another video of our Learn Arabic. Inshallah, in today's video, we'll be diving into another topic using using Arabic words to form just up to like 3 to 4 phrases with it seems. It's what it seems. It means yabdu. This yabdu. This yabdu. 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 It means it seems. It seems. Now, it's okay. Well, let's use mu'allim, that is a teacher. Say, okay, it seems you are a teacher. You say, yabdu annaka mu'allim. Yabdu annaka mu'allim. It seems you are a what? You are a teacher. You are a teacher. This yabdu annaka mu'allim. Yabdu annaka mu'allim. It seems you are a teacher. That yabdu. Now, yabdu annaka mu'andis. Yabdu annaka yabdu. That is what yabdu annaka. Yabdu annaka muhandis. That is what it seems you are what? You are an engineer. Yabdu annaka muhandis. It seems, that is, it seems you are a what? You are an engineer. That's the Arabic of engineer is what? Muhandis. Yabdu annaka muhandis. Yabdu annaka muhandis. Now, yabdu annaka tabibu. That is yabdu annaka tabib. Annaka, that's shada supposed to be on top. Annaka. Yabdu annaka tabib. That's yabdu. Yabdu annaka. Yabdu annaka. That is a tabib. This, it seems you are what? You are a doctor. Yabdu, it seems. That is, it seems. Yabdu annaka tabib. It seems you are a doctor. Yabdu annaka tabib. It seems you are a what? You are a doctor. Now, yabdu annaka ba'i'u. That is yabdu annaka ba'i'u. It seems you are a seller. That's yabdu. Yabdu annaka. Yabdu annaka ba'i'u. That is, it seems you are a what? You are a seller. Yabdu annaka ba'i'u. That is, it seems you are a what? You are a seller. Now, yabdu annaka, using the word yabdu to form different phrases. Now, yabdu annaka sarikun. That is yabdu annaka. Yabdu annaka sarikun. That is, yabdu annaka sariq. It seems you are a what? You are a thief. That is using yabdu to form different phrases. So now you can use yabdu to form phrases, sentence on your own by using the word yabdu. So see me in my next video. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Assalamu alaikum.